Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton, and I am so blessed and grateful just to share something with you really quickly. I'm in the back office of Global Moneyline. It's a system for sharing messages with people that are already in the mindset of residual income. They're in the mindset of people helping people already, and most people already have their businesses. Not everybody, but for the majority, most people already have their own business. So I'm just sending this simple message. If you can change your habits, you can live your dream. And I have set some powerful habits in my lifetime, habits that have literally changed my life. And so I have a recipe for financial freedom, recipe for financial expansion that I share with people. So today that's what I'm sending people, because I want to attract people into my business and into my life that have some really good habits and people that are about helping people. And so just wanted to shoot this quick video. You know, if you will focus on helping people live their dream, the money is going to show up. Okay, the money is a result of helping people. And so if you want a way out of financial distress, you have to sow your way out. And so I'm not going to get into all that right now, but once you become a sower, you know, a farmer sows seeds, and he knows the harvest is going to come in according to the ground and the soil that he has sown that seed in. Okay, and so being a sower is the way to freedom. And so I just wanted to share this with you. I am actually leading people to my YouTube video because most of the people that I do business with come from YouTube. So thank God for YouTube. I am grateful for you. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. My number is 618-223-6006, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. And just give yourself permission to succeed. Give yourself permission to live your dreams. When you believe, anything truly is possible. Okay? Bye for now.